From the KATC Weatherland, here's Rob's forecast.
Welcome back. Well, nice and warm out there this afternoon. Temperatures got into the lower 80s. Plenty of clouds, but not the cloud deck, not low enough to allow us to fly our drone today. So let's take a look at our drone shot coming out of Lafayette, and plenty of clouds across the area. Some breaks in those clouds. And boy, when that sun comes out, you really feel the sun. Temperatures did get into the lower 80s. Haven't gotten an official reading. There's the Cajun Dome, and as we're looking at the trees across Lafayette, some green out there, but still a lot of brown. But that's going to be changing in the next week or two. Trees are budding, the pollen is flying, and we're going to be greening up very, very soon. So let's take a look at the big picture and what's responsible for it. Well, strong ridge of high pressure down here by the Florida Straits. This is dominating the Gulf of Mexico. The subtropical jet stream is a little bit further to the north of us for right now. And here's the storm system out in the west, and the main storm track has been pretty much in this conduit from the west coast, the desert southwest, the Intermountain West, and then on up through the Midwest and the Great Lakes. So all the big storms staying north of us. We see a tail end of a front come Monday, but no severe weather. There's going to be severe weather, though, in the nation's midsection, and then maybe a stronger front and a more potent weather system as we head toward the end of next week. So this is what's going on the weather map today. Here comes out there goes one weather system up here in the Great Lakes, and here comes the next one in the west coast. Plenty of snow and rain. Look at this low pressure system as it drops slowly to the south, and this is bringing big heavy-duty snows, high winds, the whole 9 yards. Winter storm warnings in the pink from Arizona into Utah, a good chunk of Las Vegas, and then into California. Then in the orange, these are all blizzard warnings, and it's rare you see blizzard warnings all the way down to LA County. In fact, this is the first blizzard warning in that general area for the mountains outside of LA for the first time in 30 years. So big winter storm, but this storm track is going to be well to the north of us, so we stay on the mild side with plenty of clouds. And these stratiform clouds that really don't show up well on satellite imagery, and they only get lower at night and also manifest into fog. That's what we saw last night, and we'll see it again tonight. Visibilities in Lafayette were down to a half mile, but Acadiana Regional was down to a quarter mile. So National Weather Service being proactive, issuing a dense fog advisory midnight through 9 a.m. for Friday. So keep that in mind for your early travel plans. All the Doppler radar sweeps are clean sweeps, some ground clutter around the radars, but that's about it. We do have a front nearby. It's not much cooler right behind the front. The cooler air up toward the Arklatex on northward, but this front won't make it through Acadiana. It stays nearly stationary through tomorrow, and then we'll slowly move northward with time. So we stay in the warm sector as we head into the weekend. A few intervals of afternoon sunshine. You see the clouds breaking up in the afternoon. Temperatures upper 70s to lower 80s, and we'll do it all over again going into Sunday as well. Maybe a little bit more sun for Sunday afternoon. So here's our fog prognosis. Visibilities kind of go up and down across the area, half mile or less across most spots through daybreak tomorrow, with the exception of the northern parishes. And notice the fog doesn't really lift down by the coastal areas. This is the time of year where you could have fog 3 or 4 days in a row right along the immediate coastline. So keep that in mind if you want to do that offshore fishing trip. Going to be foggy. Temperatures upper 60s to lower 70s once again tonight. Tomorrow, lower 80s across the board. Tomorrow night, back down to near 70. Again, normal this time of year, right around 49, so about 20 degrees milder than normal for lows. And your daytime high should be right around 68 or 69, and will be more than 10 degrees warmer than that. We'll forecast lower 80s again for your high Saturday afternoon. So overnight tonight, 70 is going to be the low in Lafayette with mostly cloudy skies. That's where we were last night. That fog, lower cloud deck coming on in once again through the overnight hours. So a foggy, overcast start to our Friday, but mostly cloudy in the afternoon. A few intervals of afternoon sun, but not many. Clouds will continue to dominate, but it'll be nice and warm. And I don't know if you felt it, but today I really felt those lower 70 dew points on my bike ride. It is getting a little uncomfortable out there. Mostly cloudy with some morning fog, few intervals of afternoon sun through the weekend. Breezy on Monday. Here comes that tail end of that one weather system on Monday. Few showers there. Another whopper snowstorm off to our north. And then as we head toward the end of the week, this is going to be even a more potent storm system, showing maybe a little bit of a severe weather signature as well. That'll be coming in for about, looks like Thursday night into Friday. So that's why we have some strong storms. And with any luck, we set up for a very nice weekend. and for the weekend that follows, with temperatures a little bit cooler, but more sunshine in the forecast. This weekend, though, not too bad. Mostly cloudy skies and temperatures lower 80s, and you don't want sunshine in 80s right away because everybody would be getting crispy outside with that sun at this time of year.
Today was uncomfortable.
Yes,
It was.
I felt it today. I felt it today. Yes.
Thanks,
Thank
Rob.
you, Rob.